back to another special edition of True Mix Masters Present True Tuesdays. My name is Quentin Coles. I go by the moniker AKA Mix Master Q, AKA your favorite bartender's favorite bartender when bartending. This week we got another special creation. We're going back to the basics. I'm going to teach you how to make a Manhattan. Now, Manhattan is a classic cocktail. Now, let's go over the ingredients. Our first ingredient, we actually add a cherry to our glass. Now, let's go over the ingredients that it goes into the glass. We actually have sweet vermouth. We have Woodford Reserve, which is our bourbon, and then we have aromatic bitters. We got our cocktail out the way. Let's make this bad boy. Now, this recipe calls for 2 ounces bourbon, and it calls for a ½ ounce of sweet vermouth. And then we're gonna do 6 dashes of bitters. And from here, we're gonna twirl it and not shake it. Notice I said twirl and not shaking. Some cocktails are different, the way they're prepared. Now we're going to transport it to our glass. And that's how you make the perfect Manhattan. And thank you again for tuning in to another special edition of True Mix Masters Present True Tuesdays. This is where we try to bring you a different cocktail each and every Tuesday. Feel free to hit us up on our social media platforms. Look for us. We on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Like and subscribe. Until next week, stay true, my friends.